First, we have a project to create and generate an daily inspiration quotation. So we have taken a front end development. So it is the involvement of HTML, CSS with JavaScript. So we have to create an HTML document with basic structure. First, we have to create doc type. This is the responsible for the HTML document and HTML tag under. We have head tag specifies the links and other tag body. It is the main purpose of the body. So we have to create any items in the body. So first of all we create a div container. We have to create a container with imaginary space. That imaginary space is responsible to any modules inserted in and creating or deleting on that space. First we have to specify which is the title. So in head tag we have the title named as daily inspirations. So the project is the daily inspiration quotation. So we have named the title as daily inspiration. We have to take a quotation tag. Anything we have taken as a name, it is non-mandatory. So first our heading is the daily inspiration. Next, quotation container. It is the just little bit of the space in the container. So creating a space. Then id. We have a paragraph tag. Whether website is loaded, it seems to loading for the quotation, and another paragraph is responsible for the other, where other is loading. Then next, generate button. It is the responsible generate another quotation, and share button. It is to share to social media from our website to other social media apps like Google or anything, WhatsApps or so. It is we have to create an HTML structure. So we have to uh, structure into beautiful website. So we have to coloring. So first we have to take body font family Arial. It means every font will be in Arial, or it seems sans serif. Wherever Arial is not acceptable, then sans serif is responsible. Next, container. It's max width. It means half of the width. 600. The website width taken as 600 pixels, and margin 5 pixels, and it gradually increase or decrease auto. The text all align into center. Every module into text into center placed, and quotation container. It will be margin 30 pixels. Every item in the quotation container that consists a margin. That margin will be 30 pixels. Quotation text. That font size with the quotation text. Quotation text size will be little bit larger for generating to buttons. Button margin, color, border, cursor. These are responsible to border button. Next, button hover. Whenever a user try to point the cursor, it will be changes to one color to another color. We specified another color when button is appear, and we have taken to our cursor to the button, then it will be changes to another color. We have to change into color blue. Next, this is the main thing in the our website, JavaScript. It is very totally HTML and CSS depends on the this JavaScript, and JavaScript it depends HTML and CSS. These are interlinking with each other. So JavaScript is used to structure the and navigating every HTML module and CSS structures. CSS beautifuls. So first we have to create a quotation text. The get element by IDs. So why we are taking ID? The ID takes the JavaScript get element by ID. It is a DOM method. So we have take ID representing the tag on data. The data. So every id we have taken, and the const and quotation text is the variables. Const means the never change variable is the const variable. So its name we have specified like quotation text. Other the values are the we have to take like divs of the ids. Function fetching, this is the function is responsible to fetch the responsible to generating a quotation or new quotations. First we have to take fetch because we are try to generating a new quotation. It's a lengthy process. But we have an UG API. That API is responsible for generating new quotations rapidly and easily without time consuming. So the API, when we have a response to the, we have a request to the API, whether the API's response will be sent, that response with data is will be given to our website. So that data will be quotation text and quotation other. This we have that type of values. So we have to take that, and whether the response is not given, that generate an error. The error is catched on the catch block. We have to first initialize whether first whenever the our website is loaded, it will be appear one quotation. It's mandatory, so we have to initialize first. Next, a generate button and dot add event listener. The add event listener is the when the cursor clicks on the generate button, then it will be activated. It's waiting for the event whether the user click or non-click. When clicked, it will be invokes a fetch quotation function. That function is responsible to generate another quotation. So that's the, and share button, it is an share to social media. First we have to specify which data will be shared. So we have to share an quotation text, so we have to sharing. And whether navigation share is or uh, will be on or not in the Windows objects. Whenever is it will be on the window objects, and we have condition invokes and navigator share takes three parameters or more. First we have to send three: title, text, URL. Title means the title of the sharing data. Text is responsible to share whether we have to share which data, that text data. So it stays responsible other data, the data to other users. And URL, whether a user is where the data is will be given. It specifies the URL. Whenever a user clicks on the URL, it gives and rapidly change appear our website in the browser. That's the thing. So we have the checking output for this our code. So then first initialize the code, then the see the expression. When deeds and words are echoed, the world is transformed. The other is the Jung Joe and generate another. The of all portions a friend is the most precious. The other is heterodox. This will be effective, more effective on me. So we have to share to my friends. So share button. When next our which we have to share. I have to share on WhatsApp or on Gmail. So we have to likely I used WhatsApp. So I can use WhatsApp to share. Then that's the thing. It will be shared just like. Yes. Thank you all. This is the process of the creating generation for quotation for me.